In this video, I'm showing you how you can use Teams for phishing instead of email. And in order to be able to do this, you need some kind of access in organization. So you either have to be a regular user or guest user. And what we have here, we have an organization called Contoso, who is one of the employees there, Nestor Wilkie, who is a director. Then we have one guest user here, who is just a Microsoft account, who is invited to these teams, one of the teams of the Contoso. And the guy is called demo.orlando. And what I'm going to do now is that I'm going to send a phishing message to Nestor to compromise his account, so that after that I can do whatever I want to as that person. And I'm using here a new phishing method I recently introduced, which is called device code authentication flow. It is a built-in feature as already, but can be used for this kind of purposes also. Okay, so let's start. So first I will need to import the AADInternals module. So AADInternals like this, and now we are ready to go. And first thing is that I need to log in as that demo.orlando. So I'm going to say get AADInt access token for Azure core management, and I'm going to save it to cache, and I'm going to hit enter here. And now the login window pops to different window, and it's in Finnish, sorry about that. So demo.orlando@outlook.com. Okay. Then we need a password like this, and now we have logged in. So next I'm going to start a user enumeration. So it's invoke AADInt user enumeration as guest. Yes, I'm going to hit enter. So it's now using those credentials which are saved in cache. And it's asking me to choose a tenant, and I'm going to say Contoso. Yes, and it says that we have one user, so which is me actually, but let's say we will save this to variable and run it again using a switch called group members. So now it will include all the users who are member of same group that I am, or this user is. So in practice, it will list those users who are members at that same teams that I am. And I'm still going to use the same tenant, and now it will show me that there are 3 users. So let's list those users. And we're going to select user principal name. So these 3 users, they are that is me or Demo Orlando. Then we have Diego and Nestor, and we are going to send phishing link or message to Nestor at this time. So let's start. So it will be invoke AADInt phishing, and recipients. Okay, let's try to copy that one. And we could use a customized message, but for demonstration purposes, I will use the default message. I'm going to provide this team switch. So it will be using Teams instead of email. And then we have a new option here called clean message, which is a message that will be shown after we have been able to compromise users' credentials, so that we can kind of cover our tracks. Okay. But that's it. And I'm also going to save these to cache. So if we got any tokens or access tokens, we are ready to use them. So we'll just do it like this. Okay, we are still going to use Contoso for this. Now it sent the message to Nestor. And as you can see right here, here is the message. It says that, okay, this is the default message by AADInternals. Says that here's a link you should not click, and here's the number to use if you still want to click that. Now I'm going to click that link. I'm going to take this window here so that you can see what's happening. And I'm going to enter the code here. And now what happens when I click next button is that I will get access tokens for Nestor, and also this message is changed to other message. So I will click here, and then I'm gonna click my own name. So I'm Nestor, so I wanna pick that user. Click that, and now the magic happens. As you can see, the text changed here, and also we got the token here.